Hello everyone, welcome to this Java beginner course by Life Changes Academy. So in the previous session we are learn about variables and data type, right? So in this session we are going to learn the operators and user input in Java. So in this session we are completely learn about operators. So you guys know what operator is, right? Operators are the symbols in the mathematical calculation. User input means the input you are getting from the user, the information you are getting from the user, that is the user input. Okay, these are quite interesting topics, so we will move on through this session right now. Okay, so first we are going to learn about operators. So what is operators? Operators are the symbols. Operators are the special symbols. So what is the symbol? Symbol means it's a plus operator, minus operator, multiplication operator, division operator, modulus operator, and so on. There are many symbols available in the mathematical. So the operators which are used to perform the calculation, okay, or else which are used to perform the operations are called operators. So see the example in the screen. It shows that int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. So the type of a data will be declared as integer and the variable name should be a is equal to the value will be 10. How can we say the value 10 is assigned to the variable name a, the value 5 is assigned to the b, and then we have performing an arithmetic operator using a plus operator. Okay, so the result will be stored in the result variable. That also the type of data is an integer. Okay, the output will be shown as 15, right? So we will declaring two variables and then with values, right? We are performing the addition operator. So this is how the operator works here. Okay, so I will explain the practical explanation in the later. Okay, so then we are now going to see why do we need operators. So what's the purpose of using operators? You guys all know what's the purpose of using operator. So imagine in a calculator app or else in a calculator needs button to perform operations, right? So without buttons the calculator doesn't perform anything, right? Yes, so likewise the Java program also needs operator to calculate the values. Okay, to calculate the values, and also it comparing the data. Okay, it also comparing the data, makes the decision. Okay, makes decision, also updates the information. It also updates the information also. For example, calculate means imagine you are withdrawing money from ATM, right? Operators helps the system to perform several tasks. The ATM is calculating the remaining money after withdrawing money. It will be calculating automatically, right? And then comparing, the ATM compare whether your account balance is greater than withdrawal amount. It will be comparing the value, and then decide. Decide is based on the comparison result, the ATM decides whether to allow or else to reject the transaction. It will be compare likewise. Okay, and then update. What does update means? After a successful withdrawal, ATM updates your account balance. Okay, ATM updates your account balance. This is how the system works, right? This is how the system works. So this is the purpose we need operators. Okay, for example, ATM. We will think of ATM. So ATM needs to calculate, compare, update, and decides the decision. So this is how the system works. Now we are going to see that arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operator mainly used for mathematical calculations, right? Just like a maths. Okay, so this contains the plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulus operator. The main thing you learned in this arithmetic operator is the modulus operator gives you the remainder value. Okay, it doesn't the division only gives the output of quotient. The modulus gives the output of remainder. So keep that in your mind. Okay, so don't confuse division and division as well as the modulus. Okay, so we will see this arithmetic operator in a practical way so that you guys never forgot to learn this. Okay, so in that IntelliJ, I will assign two values for the calculation. Okay, integer a, integer b. So first I will perform the arithmetic addition. Okay, first we have addition, and then this one is the subtraction. I will change the value 40 and 20. Okay, so and then it will a star b, this is a multiplication. Okay, and then division. These are the basic arithmetic operations. Okay, and then last one is the modulus. I already said modulus calculate only the remainder. Okay, I will run this arithmetic operators. We will see the output right now. Okay, so a, first you will see a plus b. A plus b means 40 plus 20 is 60. So the output will be here 60. And then a minus b. A minus b will be 40 minus 20 is that 20. And then a multiplication b, 4 2s are 8, 800. And then division gives the quotient, right? And then modulus gives the remainder. This is how the arithmetic operators works. Okay, and then next we are going to see about another type of operators, that is relational as well as logical operator. First we are learn about relational operator. So what is the relational operator? Relational operator is used to compare the values. Okay, it is just used to comparing the values. So see how many relational operators are present: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than. There are many operators available in the relational. Okay, so we will be seen in a practical way. Okay, I will open my IntelliJ to code to make the calculations. Okay, so I will comparing the values. First of all, a is equals b. Okay, this is a equal to operator. Okay, this one is a not equal to operator. Second one will be not equal to operator, and then this one will be greater than operator. Okay, the semicolon will be necessary, don't forget. And then this one will be less than operator. Okay, and then greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, that also important. Okay, okay, can we see the output? A equal to b will be true or false? 40 and 20 will not equal, so it will be false. And then this not equal to will be true. And then a is greater than b or else less than b. A is greater than, okay, it will be true. A is less than b, it will be false. Then a is greater than or equal to b. No, a is greater than, true. And then a is less than or equal to b. False, right? Okay. Now we are going to run this also. You'll see the output. Okay. Whether this one is okay. See, false, true, true, false, true, false. Okay. This is a relational. This one is a relational operator. This one is a arithmetic operator. Arithmetic. Now we are going to see logical operator. Okay. So what is logical operator? We simply saw what is logical operators. Logical operators is combine conditions. It will be combine the conditions. Combine two conditions. See, AND operator means both condition must be true. AND operator means both condition must be true. And then OR operator, at least one condition must be true. NOT operator reverses the result. So this is the three operators. Okay. So you will see this also in a practical way, so that you guys never now first logical AND. Okay. This is the and, logical and means I will int age is equal to 20. Okay, I will assume the age 20, then is out age is greater than 18 and age is less than 25. What's the output of this? Okay, this is the AND operator. First we will write the code and we will saw the output. This is the OR operator. Okay. Next one is the OR operator. Int marks equal to 35. Okay. Sys out marks is greater than 40. This one is OR operator. Marks is greater than 30. Okay, and then logical and, okay, the last one is a AND operator. Logical and, okay, logical not operator. So this one is boolean. Okay, boolean data type is logged in. Okay, is logged in is equal to true. Okay, this logged in is true. Sys.out.println not operator, using not operator is logged in. So now we are going to see the output right now. Okay, so I will run this code. We seen that and operator both conditions true means true, right? This one. Okay, so both condition, first condition is age is greater than 18, also the age is less than 25, so it will be shown as true. And second one also marks is less than 40 and greater than 30, so it will be true. One condition true means true. Not operator logged in is true, and reverse of this one is a not operator means you will put the reverse. True means false, false means true. Okay, this is a logical not operator. Okay, are you understand this concept? Okay, now we are going to see another interesting topic is assignment operator. Okay, what is assignment operator? Assignment operator is used to store or update values in a variables using shorthand. See, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign. So we will see the assignment operator also. We will wait. I will open the IntelliJ and we will run the assignment operator also. So now see assignment operator. Assignment. Okay, now we are going to see int num equal to 10. Okay, int num equal to 10. I will print the num. I will assign the num 10 to value 10 to num. Okay, it will be printed the output as 10. Okay, and then now add and assign. First one is add and assign. That means we will add the value and assign. Same int num equal to 10. Okay, int nums equal to 10 and then num plus equal to 5. Okay, nums plus equal to 5 and then system.out.println nums. Okay, so this is nothing but shorthand. Okay, this will be nums is equal to nums plus 5. This will be shorthand to num plus equal to 5. Okay, so the assignment operators reduces the code repetition, also make our code very shorter and easy to understand. Okay, likewise you will add and assign, or else you will if you have subtract and assign means nums minus equal to 6. Okay, and then nums multiply equal to 6 and then nums divide equal to 5. Okay, this is how the assignment operator box. When we run the code means you will see the output for assignment operator. Okay, this will be the output. Okay, so this is how the assignment operator works. Okay, and then your next we will be going to see that another interesting topic is assignment operator is just like a arithmetic operator. You have to add and assign, subtract and assign, divide and assign. Okay, see, marks plus equal to 10 means mark is now 60, 50, marks equal to marks plus 10, marks plus 10, 50 plus 10 is 60. Okay, and then what is user input? This is also an interesting topic. So user input means when user when name colon input box, when user types their names it will be get through the keyboard to the programmer, okay, to the database. Upper user inputs lets your program read data while running. Okay, it will be more dynamic. More dynamic means you have get the what user types will be automatically gets. Okay, so real world use for login forms and all, user only selects the username as well as password, right? So for that only use and better experience, user interacts with the app, so it will be providing a better experience to the users. And then the scanner class, this is very important for getting the user input. You have to import the scanner. Okay, you have to import the scanner, you have to create a scanner. So creating new object. Okay, so creating a new scanner object and then read the input. What user types will be read. So how we will see in the next one. Okay, see this taking user input full example. Okay, so student age checker. Okay, this one is the import line, Java import Java util dot scanner. We will import this scanner. Okay, first we have to import and then you have to create a new scanner. You're creating a new object. System.in means you will get the value what the user types. Okay, that one is the system.in, and then you have to print the age. Okay, int age is equal to sc dot next int. Next int means you have to get the integer value, and then next line means you have to get the read text. And then many scanner methods are available. Okay, next char means you have to get the character value, and then next double means you have to get the double value. Okay, likewise you will have many methods in scanner. Okay, and then you have to print the value. User types 22 means your age is 22. This is how the scanner works. The simple concept, you just know about it, what is scanner and how it will be performed. Okay guys, a small recap for all the operators. Okay, what are arithmetic, relational, logical, you will be just have recap that one. Okay, and thank you for staying here, and thank you so much for your patience. Continue learn with the Life Changes Academy. Keep coding. See you in the next video. Thank you.